So, in the last video, I was showing you the different carbs I had and how I had rebuilt the carbs from the 1970 Yamaha XS1. But I said I wasn't going to put them on the XS1B. But then again, I changed my mind because I took the bowls off again, readjusted the float a little bit, and decided, yeah, I'm going to give them one more shot. I put them on. I have fuel in the hoses, so there's gas in the carbs and it's not leaking out as far as I can see, so that's a good sign. I'm going to give it a try, see if I can get it to run on these carbs. What have I got to lose, right? Got my fire extinguisher ready just in case, and let's give it a go. Okay. Alright, it spits, it backfires a little, but it runs. It runs on these carbs. They're not adjusted. I didn't sink them or anything. Hopefully, and the compression was a little low before, so hopefully there's not a bad valve or something causing that. It could be the timing. Again, could just be the way the carbs are set. So, yeah. That's a little win here. Tomorrow they start on my workshop, so hallelujah. I'll be happy with that. All right, that was a quick one. Take care.